Okay, man, and today I'm going to this wall here. I'm going to try to jump on it first time to do my parkour skill. Going to do parkour. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to try that again, guys. 3, 2, 1. Sorry. I'm scared.
Do your in it move.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1.
I do know.
We did it. Who's touching me? We did it. Jump down. Jump down. Now how am I going to get down?
We have done it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.
And time to go. Do it.
Peace.